To register for the Feast in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico 2023. I will be walking through the forms that you will be filling out on Sunday, so you're more familiar once the time comes on March 19th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So once you log in, you're going to see this page. You're going to see at the top it says create account or log in. If you have been to Puerto Vallarta since 2018, you should already have an account with RegPack. If not, you need to create an account. So let's create an account. You're going to see first name, last name, email, password, and confirm your password, and then sign me up. As soon as you log in, you will be directed to the step 1 initial application. So you just have to fill out your information. And then United States. You have to make sure that you have green check marks. All the red circles are mandatory. So make sure that you fill that out. Fill out your minister, your congregation. If everybody attends UCG, if not, then we have an option here so you can fill that out. This is all very self-explanatory. Number of rooms that you will need. You have a maximum of 3 per account and a maximum of 12 people that you can register. We're trying to keep applications per household, except when you have roommates, which you have this section right here. If you are not part of the same household, but you will be rooming with someone, we only need 1 application. So just fill this out. You will see, if you say yes, you'll find first name, last name, affiliation, and the congregation city. So just fill that out. And then if you have anything else that you need us to know, just fill that out as well. And that's it for step 1. So very, very simple. Once you log in, you will see this is your dashboard. So right now, you won't see your rooms. Here under step 2, there is nothing there because your application hasn't been approved yet. So let me show you how it looks like once you are approved. Just need a minute here. So now you will see, if I refresh the screen, you will see here it says no name given, registration information. So once you see that, is because you have been approved. And you will also see that there is going to be the $40 fee, admin fee, that will be added to the account. So let's refresh that one more time. And now you see, once you've been approved, you will see this complete registration and then the admin fee. So let's go ahead and complete your registration for step 2 once you have been approved. Again, that's very, very self-explanatory. You will fill out 1 form per room. So we need to know everyone that will be staying there. So let's say myself, and there is 4 people there. So we'll have 2 adults and 1 child and 1 between 0 and 6. Then you will fill out the name and the age. The age needs to be over 18. This is the main person that the hotel will register the information under. So this will be your name, and then the name of the second guest, and then their age group, the third guest, and if it's 0 to 6, we just need to know the age for planning purposes for Sabbath school. So just make sure you fill all that out. Again, try to go through, make sure you get check marks on all of them. And this is a little different from last year. So right now, you're going to select the dates that you're going to attend. Most of you will select every single day from probably Friday through Sunday. So last grade day is on the 7th, opening night is on the 29th. You can extend 3 days before and 3 days after. And then you can also upgrade. So you just select yes if you want to add that, and you will see in your cart that that will be added per night. The type of beds that you prefer, and then any of your special needs. So then you will see your order. So room rates for September 29th, your double occupancy, the rate for 1 child, and then the free one for the child 0 to 6, and then the $30 for the upgraded room. So you will go day by day and you see that everything is checked in. Now, if your travel plans change, you just go back to this form and you either add or subtract whatever you need to adjust those dates, and then your card will be adjusted accordingly. So let's just leave it as that for now. So you'll see all the way through October 8th. And then there's a section for donations. This is completely optional. So if you want to add that to help the Mexican brethren attend, that would be wonderful. So you go to the next form, which is the volunteer opportunities and radio sign up. So here you can sign up for all the volunteer opportunities that we have. And also, if you want to rent a radio, just say yes or no and how many you need. Then you go to the next step. Transportation, if you're going to want to use our services, the services from the hotel that we contract, we are still negotiating with them, so we don't know the pricing just yet. But you can fill this out later on. All what you have to do is on your progress bar, you click up here, and then you will see all your forms where you're at. So you can jump from form to form by using this progress bar up here. So you can just fill that out whenever you buy your tickets, and then you just go to the next step, and you will see this is your cart where you have all the nights that have been added. Once you see that everything is correct, just go to the next step. Payment options. So we have two options. The one that is the default is the one that is a payment plan. So you have the $300 that are due today, or the total is August 15th. So we can edit billing, and then you can pay everything at once if you want that as well. So just choose the one that you want. Right now we'll just do this one, so we'll go to the next step. And this is your checkout card. So we can do, you can fill out your credit card information right here. You will see the credit card processing fee. If you do a e-check, it's a little bit cheaper. So you can compare the fees. This one takes longer because you have to verify your account. So the credit card is faster, but it's a little bit more expensive. There's also an option to do a purchase protection, which means you're just buying insurance on your trip. We can refund everything minus the deposit until September 1st. So keep that in mind. This is something that we're offering for just last minute changes if you think something might happen. Reg Packs offers this purchase protection. So you can add that. You can say protect my order, and you will see that they will add that to it. If not, you can just view and edit, and you can just remove the purchase protection. You will also have to pay the $40. So you just add that. So do now plus the $300. And that's all you have to do. So you can just pay, and it will tell you, and you will confirm. So that's how you register for the rooms. If you need to go back and do a second room, go back to your dashboard, and you're going to see here there will be exactly the same for the second room, and you just complete that. So again, very straightforward. If you have any questions, we're always available. Thank you.